all your good years. Don't take my advice. You never wanted the nice boys anyway. And I'm of good cheer, 'cause I've been checking my list. The gifts you're receiving from me will...
Nung una mahirap tayong mahalin, pero siguro habang dumadaan tayo sa maraming paghamon, mas naging malapit kayo sa puso ko. At sana yung buong taon na magkasama tayo ay nakatulong at lumaglo kayo kasi lumaglo ako. Merry Christmas!
You bury yourself alive. Don't come home for Christmas. You're the last thing I wanna see underneath the tree. Merry Christmas, I could care less.
Merry Christmas. Lahat, siyempre, especially doon sa mga masasaya doon sa one. Alam ko naman lahat kayo mas din. Diba? Expert na talaga kayo. Kahit minsan maingay, pero alam ko naman masaya lang kayo. Okay, so Merry Christmas. Sana mag-aaral ng mabuti. Christmas gift ko sa inyo. Siguro, long test. Long test. Pag-pray ko kayo, promise. So, gusto mang gabi ako na sila ko kayo sa... So mag-aaral kayo na mabuti. Kaya na ako. Okay, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
Don't come home for Christmas. You're the last thing I wanna see underneath the tree. Merry Christmas, I could care less.
Uy, Wani, okay yan. Sobrang saya lagi pag may klase ako sa Wani. Okay, para sa Wani, lalo niyo pang galingan at sana lagi kayong maging masaya. Okay? Pagpatuloy ang paglingap sa weekend. Kaya sa Wani, maligayang Pasko sa inyong lahat.
Don't come home for Christmas. You're the last thing I wanna see underneath the tree. I could care less. Don't come home for Christmas. You're the last underneath the tree. Merry Christmas, I could care less.
Count me in.
Hi, with the class of 1E, I just want to greet you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Please have a restful and fruitful vacation. See you next year.
I get the tingles in a silly place. It starts in my toes and I crinkle my nose. Wherever it goes, I always know that you make me smile. Please stay for a while now. Just take your time wherever you go. The rain is falling on my window pane, but we are hiding in a safer place. Undercover, staying safe and warm. You give me feelings that I adore. They start in my soul.
First of all, I want to wish everyone Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Sana maging mas mabait, mas nag-ibig. Lahat na pwedeng lahat ng bahay. Mas nag-ibig, mas nag-ibig.
time now, holding me tight. Wherever, wherever you go. Wherever, wherever.
I'm in the business of misery, let's take it from the top. She's got a body like an hourglass, it's ticking like a clock. It's a matter of time before we all run out. When I thought he was mine, she caught him by the mouth. I waited 8 long months, she finally set him free. I told him I couldn't lie, he was the only one for me. 2 weeks and we had caught on fire. She's got it out for me, but I wear the biggest smile. Whoa, I never meant to break